Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Ruble Solutions. This is the chapter 2 of class 4 question and answer series. The chapter is explained in the playlist section of class 4. So let's directly go to the question and answer block. Lesson 2, memory and storage. Okay, here we come. Please ignore the bad handwriting because it is written by the student when teachers were teaching them the lesson. Okay, so please ignore the writing. If you can't understand, please listen to my voice. I will be telling you each and every answer in the audio also. The information in the computer is stored in the form of dash digits, binary digits. Dash and dash are the two types of memory present in the computer, internal and external. The internal memory is two types, RAM and ROM. A flash drive is popularly known as pen drive. A CD stored up to 700 MB of data is 4.7 inches in diameter. State true and false. RAM stands for random access memory. Accept memory. It is access memory. So this is false. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks. True. A flash memory is very small in size and it is rewritable. True. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 GB. Wrong. It's reverse. 1024 MB is equal to 1 GB. Now match the following. ROM, that is internal memory. DVD, 4.7 in diameter. Flash drive, plug and play device. Blu-ray disc, 50 GB. Now the application based questions. Sohail could not finish his project work in the class. So he wants to carry soft copy of project to his house in order to finish it. Which device you suggest him to build the task? The answer is pen drive. The next question is Raghav wants to copy 3 movies on a disc so that to see them at his place. Which type of disc would you most suitable for this purpose? CD or DVD? Or nowadays pen drives can also be used because it has more and more capacity to store. Multiple choice questions. Storage capacity of DVD varies from 4.1 GB to 17 GB. देखो मैम ने GB को ठीक करके कैपिटल में GB लिखा है क्यों? Because GB means gigabyte and it is an abbreviation and all abbreviations are written in capital letter. The maximum capacity of multimedia card is up to 128 GB. Dash is not secondary storage device. RAM, RAM. What do you understand by computer memory? Name its parts. Computer memory is a memory which determines how much data and instructions can be stored in the computer either temporary or permanently. Two types of memory are there, internal memory and external memory. Difference between RAM and ROM. RAM is random access memory. The information stored in the memory is lost when you turn off the computer or power it off. ROM, read-only memory, it retains the stored information even when the power is switched off. Briefly explain the term hard disk. Hard disk is the main storage medium for computers. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold a large amount of data. What is the use of memory card? A memory card is a storage medium for portable devices like mobiles, digital cameras and multiplayers. It can be easily removed from access by a computer. Explain the use of Blu-ray disc briefly. Blu-ray disc is a new optical disc format that can store 25 GB of data on its single side and 50 GB on its dual side. Its storage capacity is 5 times more than that of DVD. The size of Blu-ray disc is similar to a DVD. Now the activity part. The main memory of computer is, see, I have written this, primary. The data stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off. You can see RAM. The other name of flash drive is pen drive. Dash memory is used to store information permanently. Data is not lost when the computer is turned off. The answer is external. The data stored in the computer's memory is measured in bits. It holds the startup instructions as binary. A computer can only understand. अच्छा ये है 7th का है binary. 6th का है 6th का है ROM. It is new optical disc format. 8th Blu-ray disc. 9th Dash is the brain of the computer, CPU. Dash is the optical storage device used to store movies with that is DVD. I hope this question and answer series will help you. This is the question and answer series of class 4 lesson 2 memory and storage. Thank you for all the support you are giving. It really gives me motivation when you message me or reply me or comment, like and all that thing, and keep me going day by day. Thank you for learning with Rubel Solutions, and please spread the education. Be positive, everything will be fine. Everything is fine and we will rock the world. Thank you. Have a nice day. Love.